Self classes spoken English. Past perfect continuous tense. Interrogative 50 sentences. ता रहा था, ती रही थी, ते रहे थे. Had plus subject plus been plus VING plus since bata for plus time. Had I been studying English for 2 hours? Had I been working there since morning? Had I been waiting for you for a long time? Had I been practicing speaking since last week? Had I been preparing for the exam for many days? Had you been living here since 2019? Had you been working on this project for 6 months? Had you been learning English since childhood? Had you been waiting at the station for 1 hour? Had you been driving since morning? Had he been working hard for 2 years? Had he been living in Delhi since 2020? Had he been reading this book for 3 days? Had he been playing cricket since childhood? Had he been preparing for the exam for weeks? Had she been cooking food since morning? Had she been teaching English for 10 years? Had she been waiting for half an hour? Had she been working there since last year? Had she been studying regularly for months? Had it been raining since night? Had it been raining for 2 hours? Had it been working properly for a long time? Had it been getting cold since evening? Had it been happening for many days? Had we been practicing speaking since morning? Had we been learning English for 1 year? Had we been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes? Had we been working on the project since January? Had we been following the rules for years? Had they been playing outside since afternoon? Had they been studying for 3 hours? Had they been living here since childhood? Had they been doing this job for a long time? Had they been preparing for exams since last week? Had you been feeling tired since morning? Had you been sleeping well for many days? Had you been trying again for 2 days? Had you been speaking English since last month? Had you been using this phone for 1 year? Had he been driving since morning? Had she been crying for some time? Had it been raining continuously since yesterday? Had we been improving for the last few months? Had they been helping you since morning? Had you been practicing daily for weeks? Had you been waiting here since 8 a.m.? Had he been wasting time for many days? Had she been telling the truth since the beginning? Had they been learning fast for some time?